Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your premier source for in-depth analysis and insights into the latest technological advancements. The 360-degree camera market is on the cusp of a revolution as DJI, a renowned pioneer in drone and camera innovation, prepares to make its inaugural foray into the 360-degree action camera arena with the highly anticipated OSMO 360, a strategic challenge to establish dominance. DJI's entry into this market marks a significant turning point, as the company sets its sights on challenging the long-standing dominance of GoPro and Insta360. With its reputation for delivering cutting-edge technology and exceptional user experiences, DJI is poised to disrupt the status quo and redefine the boundaries of 360-degree camera innovation. Recent leaks, regulatory filings, and insider reports collectively indicate that DJI is poised to launch the highly anticipated OSMO 360 before the end of the year. This strategic timing coincides with GoPro's delayed release of the Max 2, creating a prime opportunity for DJI to capitalize on the market's anticipation. A new era of innovation and competition. DJI's entry into the high-stakes action camera arena is expected to ignite a fierce rivalry with GoPro, driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what is possible in this space. As witnessed in DJI's previous challenges to GoPro's dominance with the OSMO action lineup, this emerging competition is poised to redefine the action camera landscape. Early leaks surrounding the DJI OSMO 360 reveal a compact, user-friendly design that pays homage to traditional action cameras, diverging from Insta360's distinctive, elongated aesthetic. This deliberate design choice, paired with DJI's reputation for innovation, suggests that the OSMO 360 is meticulously crafted to appeal to GoPro's core audience while delivering cutting-edge 360-degree capture capabilities. A synergy of practicality and innovation. The OSMO 360's rumored features, including dual lenses, intuitive controls, and a landscape display for effortless framing, underscore DJI's commitment to balancing practicality and innovation. By prioritizing user needs, DJI is strategically positioning the OSMO 360 as a formidable contender for the loyalty of GoPro and Insta360 enthusiasts alike. GoPro's dominance in the action camera market is well established, but the delay in releasing the Max 2 has created a strategic opening for competitors. If DJI successfully launches the OSMO 360 before GoPro's next release, it may capture a significant share of consumer loyalty, particularly if the OSMO 360 delivers comparable or superior performance. A three-way battle for supremacy: DJI, GoPro, and Insta360. Insta360 has established itself as a leader in the 360-degree camera space by offering innovative software, consistent product releases, and a robust community-driven ecosystem. To challenge Insta360's dominance, DJI must match or exceed these features, particularly in terms of post-production flexibility and advanced editing options. A new era of innovation and competition. The entry of DJI into the 360-degree camera market promises to ignite a new wave of innovation, driving the development of cutting-edge technologies that enhance immersive content creation. As DJI, GoPro, and Insta360 engage in a three-way battle for supremacy, consumers can expect a surge in innovative features, improved performance, and competitive pricing. Your premier destination for exploring the latest advancements in innovation and technology. As we delve into the exciting possibilities of DJI's OSMO 360, we invite you to join the conversation and share your thoughts on the features you would love to see in DJI's inaugural 360-degree camera. Shaping the future of 360-degree camera technology. We encourage you to participate in the discussion by commenting below. Your input will help shape the future of 360-degree camera technology and provide valuable insights into the features and functionalities that matter most to creators and tech enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more updates and insights. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest developments in technology. We look forward to engaging with you in the comments and exploring the exciting possibilities of DJI's OSMO 360 together.